Neglected tropical diseases are common in areas with unsafe drinking water, poor sanitation, substandard housing, and little or no access to health care services. But many governments channel little or no resources to eliminate these diseases, common among the rural and urban poor.
Strengthen government ownership, advocacy, partnership and coordination, scaling up the control and looking at what we may call transmission control. That's where we are having hygiene and sanitation.
The World Health Organization estimates that over 1 billion people worldwide suffer from neglected tropical diseases that are divided into two. Those easy to treat like elephantiasis, river blindness, bilharzia, intestinal worms, and trachoma. The second group is difficult to treat. These are sleeping sickness, Karaza, which is limited to Karamoja in Uganda, plague, jiggers, and the woolly ulcer disease. In Uganda, the Ministry of Health estimates that 4.8 million people suffer from elephantiasis, river blindness 1.5 million, bilharzia 4 million, trachoma 1.1 million, while intestinal worms afflict over 11 million people. The master plan, to run till 2020, aims at eliminating threats caused by these diseases. Part of the pledged $60 million from donors to execute the master plan will be used to fund research into the nodding syndrome in northern Uganda, which is closely linked to river blindness.
If we see that Onchocerciasis or river blindness is not part of the puzzle in nodding disease, then we will try to explore other studies which are related to Ntds within that context.
Hydrocele, which falls in this category, is widespread in Uganda. The Ministry of Health estimates that 25% of men in eastern Uganda suffer from the disease.
Parts of the country are affected by hydroceles. You have eastern Uganda, you have northern Uganda, you have northwestern Uganda, and you have part of western Uganda, that is Bundibujo and Ntoroko districts.
These diseases can easily be controlled by mass drug administration in the affected communities, vector control, proper sanitation, and environmental manipulation for disease-carrying organisms like mosquitoes to check jiggers and plague. Despite these measures, rampant poverty and the fact that these diseases rarely kill but cripple victims means not much has been done to fight them. The 112 local governments in Uganda have at least one neglected tropical disease, meaning the need to eliminate them is crucial. Salma Namwanje, Tiaba Bakari Setumba, NBS Television.